Guys, imagine editing a video was this easy. You literally just write a prompt like the one over here, and then it literally creates all the effects, cuts the video into the correct parts, and generates a bunch of B-roll for you just like that, so that you can basically just watch your computer edit your video for you. Imagine it was this easy to edit videos. I mean, it should be now with the age of AI, image generation, video generation. AI can now edit your video and publish it to all your channels. Why are we not doing this? And the reason why is because we don't know how, and it's overwhelming to do it with a chatbot. But now we've taken that technology, that chatbot technology, and we've put it into a desktop software called ZippyClip. Now save this video so you don't forget that name, ZippyClip. What it is, it's an AI agent that can edit for you, but you can actually see what he's doing in the video edit. So you can see him placing effects on top of the video. You can see that he's cutting it. You can see he's adding subtitles. You can see everything that's happening live in front of you. And the best part is that he publishes to YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and X all in one go. So it's like this all-in-one AI agent, and you can see the chat box over here. Now, if I type to him something, he will literally understand. So as you can see, look at this insanity. He's creating amazing B-roll onto the timeline, dropping it exactly onto the timeline in the perfect place based on the transcript. You can actually see that happening right now. He dropped it right here onto the timeline. Not sure if you can see my mouse. And this one's going to be dropped as well into the timeline. You can see he's dropping a bunch of effects. Look at these amazing effects, guys. Absolutely insane. Guys, check this out. AI, if you're listening, make sure you add this part to the video. This is insane. He's creating some insane effects on top of the video that I recorded a few minutes ago. And that's why I think this app is actually insane. Can you see the effects he's adding to the video? And this is all happening from a very basic prompt. I mean, the prompt I used here was add some nice effects on top to overlay the video to keep the viewers hooked, increase the production value, make people want to stay at the video till the end, put some nice yellow subtitles with a nice black border, and then publish to all my channels. That was the prompt. You can see it right up here. Absolutely fantastic. And this was the answer from the AI. Now, if I just type to the AI and say to him, hello, I'm just going to type hello into him, and just I wanted to see what happens when you type hello to the AI. This AI agent that can do basically anything you want, can talk to you, you can chat with him, you can say do this, do that, and he's very, very friendly. It's a user-friendly way to start editing videos using AI. You don't need Claude Code. You don't need it. You just download this for free. You can use it. You have a bunch of API credits for free, and he will speak to you. He will help you, and he will edit for you. Look at this insanity. Look at this insanity, guys. Look at these effects being added to the timeline. You can see he dumped it there right at the beginning of the video. And the rest of the effects, look at this effect. Oh my Lord, guys, follow to make sure that you never forget about this app. You can see where he's putting it onto the timeline. He's dragging it onto the timeline into the right place. It's basically an AI agent that does all of your video editing and publishing into all your channels. Now, if that was it, that would be enough, I know, but it's not it. You can create automations where literally you drop a video file into a folder on your computer and it starts doing the edit and publishing it into your channels. So basically, you're completely sorted. Once you download the software, you're finally using AI to edit and publish your videos to all of your channels in one go. Absolutely fantastic. There's no words to describe how powerful this is. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Oh, while we're waiting, check this out. Some fantastic effects. Absolutely amazing.